Have you noticed how fewer young people are using debit cards these days? If you thought debit cards were the go-to way to pay, think again. Generation Z, those born roughly between the mid-1990s and early 2010s, are moving away from debit cards in a big way. But why? For many years, debit cards were the easiest way to pay for things without using cash. You link your card to your bank account, and when you buy something, the money leaves your account right away. Simple, right? But Gen Z is looking for something different. One big reason is how fast technology moves. This generation grew up with smartphones, apps, and online shopping. They want payment options that fit smoothly into their digital lives. Debit cards, while still useful, feel a bit old-fashioned compared to mobile payment apps or digital wallets. Services like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other app-based wallets allow quick, contactless payments. For Gen Z, these options aren't just convenient, they feel natural. Another factor is control over spending. Many young people prefer prepaid cards or even buy now, pay later services. Prepaid cards let them put a certain amount of money on a card and spend only that much, helping them avoid going over budget. Buy now, pay later services break up payments into smaller chunks, making bigger purchases easier to manage. Debit cards don't offer these features, which makes them less appealing. Security also plays a big role. Debit cards are connected directly to a bank account, so if someone steals your card information, they could empty your account quickly. Credit cards, on the other hand, offer more protection. Many credit cards come with fraud protection and won't immediately take money from your bank. Because of this, Gen Z tends to prefer credit or virtual cards that can be easily blocked or replaced. Let's talk about credit for a moment. Although many people think that young people avoid credit cards, Gen Z is actually signing up for them at higher rates than previous generations. They see credit cards as a way to build credit scores early, which helps with things like renting apartments or getting loans later. Since debit cards don't affect credit scores, they don't help build financial history. That makes credit cards more attractive. Another trend is the rise of financial apps built specifically for young people. Apps like Cash App, Venmo, and others offer simple ways to send money to friends, split bills, and track spending. These services often link to prepaid or virtual cards rather than traditional debit cards. They add social features and make money management feel less like a chore. Banks and financial companies are also changing how they offer debit cards. Some are adding fees or limiting benefits, which can discourage younger users. If you can get a credit card with rewards or a payment app with perks, why stick with a debit card that doesn't offer much? Lastly, the way Gen Z thinks about money is different.